Good morning, it's Rich from the garage. I tested positive for COVID last night, so I'm just cracking on with the old man flu thing. So anyway, time to change the right hand side door lock actuator out of the Jeep. It's the front door right side, which has taken me ages to get the right one. But anyway, there we go. They don't seem to make them anymore because this is 2012 and after or pre 2011. They make them from China. But no, they're not, nothing like the same. So anyway, at last got one from a breakers. I've just taken. It's very simple. We only take that panel off. There's a screw with a handle, and undo that screw, and then pop the whole thing off. And you can get at the actuator. Sorry. You can get at the actuator there. Obviously, undo it there. Undo all the arms and bits. Hang on a second. Yeah, and all the arms. There's the arms to the various things, and they all pop in various places. So there's the new one, which I've just tried, which I will show you because it works. So here we go. So I plugged it in. Obviously, I just plugged it in there. Obviously, I don't want to put it in and then test it. That's stupid. Okay, here we go. And it's windy today, so the door's coming towards me. Here we go. I'm going to lock. What shall I do? Open it. Open it. Oh, it's already open. Lock it. There we go. Hurrah! There we go. It's working. So hopefully, when I put it in, it carries on working. So that's it. So it's now a case of just putting it back. So as you can see, there's that bit that goes in there, and then you fix all the fiddly bits, which is clipping the various arms in there to activate various things. So I thought I'd just let people know, because it's sort of trial and error of me finding out, and yeah, it is important to really check everything to make sure that everything is the same on the actual activator for a 2012 Jeep, because they don't seem to be making them anymore, and it's quite easy to buy a new one saying it's Jeep 2010 to 2022 or something, and it's not. It's not at all. So there we go. And also, buying from America, I bought one and it said driver's side. I'm assuming it was on Amazon. It was Amazon, others are available, but it was on Amazon and it was on English Amazon, so I assumed driver's side meant right side, and I couldn't work it out from the picture because you can't always see enough to suss it out. And I sent it through, and now it was the left side, because they are handed. So that's another thing, you can't interchange them. They've got to be specific to the door, so it's all good fun. Yeah, so hopefully that helps maybe someone out there. All right, have a good day. Bye.